power is defined as time rate of doing work or rate at which work is done. So this is the general formula and the general definition of power which we have been using since our junior classes, right? So if I have to denote power, it will be rate at which work is done. So work done upon time taken. This is a very general formula of force, right? Of power, sorry. So from here, if I have to define the SI unit of power, this is called watts. So 1 watt is equal to 1 joule over 1 second. That is the SI unit of time. So power is said to be 1 watt when 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, or when 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then power is said to be 1 watt. Now, what do we know about instantaneous force, work and power? See, this is a very general formula of work upon time, which is power. But if we are talking about instantaneous value, so here power will be work is what? F dot ds over dt. That is, this is the instantaneous value of work done in a very small time interval, time which is dt. See, that is how we calculate instantaneous value, a very small value of work done in very small interval of time. So F dot ds upon dt. Here I can also write it as F dot ds over dt, right? What is ds over dt? That is displacement upon time, velocity. So power has another formula of force into velocity, right? F dot v. So do we say that this is a scalar or vector? It is a scalar because we still have the dot product, alright? Now one more thing. What do we know about the dimensional formula of power? P is equal to Fv or Fv cos theta, but cos theta, the trigonometric ratios are not dimensional. They are not independent of dimensional formulas, right? So dimensional formula of power come out to be, for what is force? mlt minus 2, which we have already discussed, and velocity is, what is the SI unit of velocity? Meter per second. Meter per second can be written in dimensional formula as meter is what? L, length, upon time, which is second. So lt minus 1. So this becomes m L square t minus 3. This is the dimensional formula of power.